how to get the daily bias of any market at all, be it crypto markets, be it commodities markets, synthetic indices, whatever market you are looking at. I'm going to show you right here in this video how to get the daily bias, daily direction. What direction are we focused on today? You're just going to learn it at the end of this video. You can just wake up in the morning, look at any chart at all, and just tell yourself, okay, we are bullish. Okay, we are bearish. Okay, I'm longing. Okay, I'm shorting. Right in this video, you will learn exactly how to know the daily bias of any market. I'll just show you in the price action method with price action, pure price action, and it's going to be very simple. That's one thing about price action. Pure price action, it's very simple but powerful. Okay, it concepts are very simple but powerful. No fancy stuff, no fugazi, no nothing. Just looking at the glance at the chart, you just know where you to focus on that particular day. Before I continue, if you're coming around this channel for the very first time, just do me one favor, destroy the subscribe button right now, because here, this is where you will learn how to trade without indicators, no nothing, no moving averages at all. It's just professionalism. I am the king of price action. I am the king of pure price action. So I'm going to teach you how to trade with pure price action. No stress, no indicator, no fancy stuff. Just straight to the point. You're just going to be raking in those thousands of pips and those thousands of dollars every day and every week. And monthly, you'll be turning out a very good, fantastic trader. Okay, without further ado, let's just proceed into this video and to what we have for the day. Now, the first thing I always recommend you do is, okay, I'm not just going to talk too much about this one. I'm just going to show you. I prefer that I believe that you've already known how to draw support and resistance level. You already know that. If you don't know it, check the description. You will see how to draw support and resistance, how to do more time frame analysis, and all that you need. Now, straight to the point, how to get the daily direction of any market. Now, first of all, I will using the previous week. Okay, so this is a support level, right? Now, the first thing you want to do is look at from where price is coming from. Now, if you look at this right here, you can see clearly that price is coming from this level right here. Whatever reason that made this thing to reverse is not your business. All you just need to do is to follow it. Price just came from all the way to this point and it tapped a support level. A support level. Now, this was the previous resistance, now turned with to support. That is fantastic and beautiful. What you just need to do right there now is just to start looking for buying opportunities when the market has tapped into a support level. The next thing to do is buy from that market. Look for buying opportunities. So that day, you know that you would be looking for buys. Just like this, when the market tapped into here, the next day was what? Bullish market. You would have gotten some buys right here. Now, let's get to this one. The market just tapped into this level. Now, this is where everything gets even more clearer. When it tapped into a support level, what was the next thing it did? The market printed what? A bullish engulfing candlestick. Clearly bullish engulfing candlestick. So that was one of the reasons I knew, or that was the main reason I knew that this market would buy. You get it? This market would buy. The market would just need to open and retest this level. Okay, let me show you on the 1 hour time frame so you see clearly what I'm talking about. Look at how everything worked. I knew that it was going to retest this level here. Okay, I knew that it was going to be bullish. The next thing was it broke, retested, and boom to the next level, right? Boom to the next fucking level. You just know that, hey, this is it. This is how it works. It is nothing lesser than this. This is just how it works. Okay, now the same thing happening this week, right? The same thing happening this week. Now look at this clearly right here on Euro USD. right here on Euro USD. Now, first of all, if you are confused at anything, you want to ask any question, you can use the comment section. You can make any comments. I will teach more on it and help you to become profitable, right? That's the reason I created this YouTube channel for you, so that you can ask any question you want. And that's bothering you, you want me to make any video about anything, just comment it right here and I would reply to you almost immediately. And if you also have any personal thing you want to tell me, you don't want to post in the comment section, you have anything personal you want to tell me, you want me to help you with anything, just follow me on X. This is my X. This is my only X. You get it? This is my only X account. Or you can also follow me on Instagram right now and message me directly on Instagram. I would reply to you almost immediately. I will just reply to you immediately. Okay, so let's quickly proceed with what we have. Now that now this week, this is Monday, and I'm looking at this like, okay, what is the direction do I focus on? Number one, I looked at this level. I saw that this market has a support level. It's seated at a support level. Now, the next thing is I'm looking at it. What was the candlestick that was printed previous day? Looking at this candle, you can clearly see even a blind person. I mean, somebody who has never heard about Forex, has not heard about trading, would know what to do the next day. Somebody who doesn't know about candlesticks, looking at this chart alone, would know that this market would go bullish on Monday. Why? Now, the second thing is it's printed with a sweet candlestick. This is a tweezer bottom. A tweezer bottom. Right? I will share this trade. I will share this trade idea on my Instagram on the Oracle University, and I also share it in my Telegram. So if you're not in that Telegram group, make do well to join it, because I'll be posting my Telegram. I'll be posting my daily pairs. I'll be looking at the directional bias of all the pairs I'll be looking at from now henceforth. So check the description. You will see this particular one, my Telegram, my free Telegram. So just join that so you can get directional bias of every market daily, and you know what to focus on weekly. All right. So this particular market right now, printing this alone has told me that Monday would be what, bullish. Okay, that is why I am already looking for bullish opportunities right here. The market has just broken out of this level, so it would have to break this low, small low here, minor low, and come here to test here. And from here, I am looking at buying from here. I'm looking at buying from here, somewhere around here like this. I'm looking at buying, and my first target will give me at least 1:3 weeks to the word. I won't even get to this resistance level here. This is a resistance level. I'll get 1:3. Now this trade here is actually a bonus. I'm giving you guys a bonus. So if you are not part of the team right now, destroy that subscribe button. This is where you learn how to trade. I will teach you how to trade. I make your trading journey easier for you. So hit that subscribe button right away, and you know you love what I'm doing right here. Drop this video a like, and let's go on to the next video. So that is all for now. Now, how do you trade this market? How do you capture good trade opportunities? My entry, even after analyzing like this, where do I enter? What triggers my buy? What is the signal I'll see and and know that this market is buying? Okay. Now I have a video dropping the same week to show you exactly where to buy, place your stop loss, and the entry signals. Everything is going to be shared with you right here on this YouTube channel. So do not miss it right now, and smash the subscribe button. Destroy it for me right here. Let's roll. Okay, let's roll. So on to the next video. See you, and bye bye for now.